XL, ma'am. Sige, ma'am, ipiplex natin. O, eto, another 480 ha. Extra small to small, branded by Doty. Napakaganda ng quality. May boning, may rubber stopper. Extra small to small, romper dress, mga madam. Romper dress, 480, mga miha. Code is white floral. Hindi ko talaga kaya ng 280. Hindi kaya ng budget. Charot. Okay, next is this one. Branded by Atmos and here, size large. Brand new pa, size large, zipper back, 280, code ako linya. Zipper back, code ng linya, 280. Pag kaya kong ibigay mga madam ng ng mura, alam niyo yan, binibigay ko. Pero pagka hindi talaga. Okay, ang waistline hanggang 27. Feeling ko kaya mo pagkasyahin sa 26 lang talaga, ma'am. 26 lang. Navy blue, extra small to small. Ay, syuta ka. Ang ganda nito. B, brand new by Ali, medium large. Adjustable strap, another romper dress na belted. Zipper back to mga madam ha. Ang ganda. Opo, medium, semi-large, hanggang size 30 mga madam. Up to size 30, adjustable strap, zipper back mga mi, tapos belted, romper dress. Ay, hindi, mini dress. Mini dress lang, 30-31 waistline, medium, semi-large mga madam, ha? Branded by Ali. Code ako dito ng Aqua, 280 lang to. Aqua, 280. Aqua, 280. Madam, Maribel, yours na si Linya, ma'am. Madam Maribel, 123, 123, yours na to, Miss Maribel. Riva, small. Extra small to small yun. 480 lang doon, ma. Eto, Diyos ko, mga bakla, ang ganda. This one is another 480, ha? Okay. This one is adjustable strap. Hanggang medium to, ha? Hanggang size 30. Okay, this one hanggang size 28 pasok to. 480 romper dress. Code is Old Rose. 480 up to size 28 pasok. Okay, ayan. Extra small to small na navy blue, ma. Ito. Ay, extra small to small. Small lang pala to. Ayan siya. XL, wala na ako masyadong XL, mga madam siya. Okay, next one. Uy, romper na backless. This one is branded by Valley Girl. Size is medium po. Size medium hanggang size 28, 29, backless, branded by Valley Girl. Code is backless, 280. Backless, 280 pesos. Code is backless. Branded by Miss Selfridge. Extra small to small zipper back, mga madam. Extra small to small, branded by Miss Selfridge. Zipper back, romper. Code ako dito, XS280. Ma'am, parang wala na ako masyadong XL, ma'am. Ha, yung mga nag-aabang ng XL, wala na po masyado. Okay, this one is brand new by Here Comes the Sun, small on tag, ha. Here Comes the Sun, small on tag. Napakaganda, very pretty, plain, pero tingnan mo yung likod. Code ako dito ng brand new, 280.